O tua, o Tonga, o Hoku, o Whia.
Hi Tonga!
Yo Tonga.
Together, everyone. Together, together. Come on, let's have some fun. Together, we're there for each other every time. Together, together. Come on, let's do this.
Many people often think that youth are the main problem of today. No, that is not true. But we can do something great for our society. God has placed in every person the potential to become great. What we aim to achieve, what we desire to do, what we dream to be, can all be done. But when can we start? Now it's the time to develop your gifts and talents. How can we do it? It's simple. Just begin with what you have and let God guide you what is best for you. We can develop our potential and living fulfilled lives.
Contribution to the development of Tonga is that we can help by focusing in our studies and improving and increasing our knowledge, because by this way we can help to develop our economy by infrastructure and also by taking us away from our debts.
The youth is the future of our country.
Keep up the good work, youth of Tonga!
What this phrase means to us is that every Tongan, no matter what age you are, what denomination you belong to, what past experiences you've had, has a role to play in the development of our country.
Overall, I believe that we are in this together. The youth of Tonga have been instrumental in bringing change in the past, and so is the present time. And with a hopeful heart, we believe that the youth of Tonga will continue to influence the betterment of our country to the future. So that is our prayer with hope and expectation for the future of Tonga. As we stand together, united, we are in this together for the betterment